Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV, your go-to channel for authentic Filipino flavors made easy at home. Today, we're making a classic comfort dish, Filipino pork estofado. Tender pork braised in a rich, sweet and savory sauce, paired with golden fried saba bananas, potatoes, and carrots that soak up every bit of flavor. This dish is perfect for family meals or when you want that cozy, restaurant-quality Filipino taste right in your kitchen. Let's get cooking! Ingredients: 1 kilogram pork shoulder, pork kasim, cut into 1/2 2-inch cubes. 4 pieces saba bananas, sliced lengthwise. 2 medium potatoes, cubed or cut into wedges. 1 medium carrot, sliced diagonally or into chunks. 1 medium onion, sliced. 6 cloves garlic, minced. Half a cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup white vinegar. 1/3 cup brown sugar, adjust to taste. 2 cups water. 2 bay leaves. 1 teaspoon whole peppercorns. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, optional but recommended. 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Procedure: heat oil in a pan. Fry the saba bananas until lightly golden. Remove and set aside. Fry the potatoes until lightly browned. Set aside. Optional, quickly fry the carrots for about 1 minute to enhance color and texture. In the same pan, sauté garlic until fragrant. Add onions and cook until softened. Add the cubed pork shoulder. Cook until the sides are lightly brown to develop flavor. Add soy sauce, bay leaves, and peppercorns. Pour in the water. Cover and simmer for 40 to 50 minutes or until pork becomes tender. Pour in the vinegar without stirring. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes before mixing to prevent a harsh sour taste. Add brown sugar and oyster sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Add carrots, fried potatoes, and saba bananas. Simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce thickens and becomes glossy. And there you have it. Our pork estofado, tender, flavorful, and full of that comforting Filipino goodness, brought to you by Sangkap Sarap TV. If you loved this recipe, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more authentic Filipino dishes you can cook at home. Comment below which Filipino recipe you want us to recreate next. Your suggestion could be featured in our next video. Thanks for watching Sangkap Sarap TV. See you in the next recipe, and happy cooking!